Oil WTI so far for the day traded with modest bearishness and beautifully traded as we expected. I have mentioned very clearly that 79 and then 78.6, 78.4. This is going to be a greater support zone for the day. What has happened hitting the zone? We have seen now oil trying to show a recovery. Also on the upside now, we have to wait for it to stay above 69.6, 69.8 zone. We will also look at natural gas, which is trading bullish, and yes, you can also notice it is so far respected the support and resistances, which were the no trade zone as we discussed in our first update. I hope you all profited so far. Now, what to expect today with the US session and with the inventory data for crude oil? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel in the world to give you two updates and targets for crude oil and natural gas. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into crude oil, followed with natural gas. Watch is still staying in this bullish channel, hitting the highs and the lows of the channel at the same time, and now hitting the lows it is trying to bounce back, trying to recover. But I will only recommend you to buy if you see it breaking beyond 90 69.6, 69.8. Yes, that is going to be a prime resistance zone. Moving averages have now started to converge, not yet crossed over. Stochastic oversold, MACD trading divergent and bearish. We may see it converging. RSI at bottom here. Coming to 2 hour. If you look at 2 hour charts, see beautifully the support levels are played out well. Look at these three drops, and so far 68.4, 68.6 is definitely proving out to be greater support. What is happening after hitting the support? It is delivering higher highs every time. Now, see, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and a smaller body, and if you see it is staying above 69.4 itself, you can buy here. But then 69.7, 69.8 is going to be the first hurdle, and then 70.2 levels will come into picture. Beyond this, we can see prices staying bullish towards 70.6, 71.2, and then 72.4. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD has crossed over here and it is still trading bearish, though I can see the candle size is flattening here, so the current candle is going to be important for crude oil. RSI has dropped. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same, staying in the channel, hitting the highs and the lows, then the highs and then the lows here. So yes, it is still staying bullish as long as it stays above 68.4, 68.6. Good retracement is done. Let's wait for a breakout which can take it further highs. In fact, it can breach beyond 71, 71.2. Stochastic oversold. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness, and see this crossover is coming after good amount of retracement. So a possible drop cannot be denied if it trades below 68.6, 68.4 zone. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts also, observation is more or less same. We have to wait till the inventory, which is going to be the prime driving factor here. And so far, after hitting the support zone, it is trying to bounce back. See, moving averages are also crossed over at the buy side and definitely proving out to be a good support at 69. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has just crossed over, and this is coming after a good retracement. So I will be careful at the current levels. Most probably, couple of red candles and then a reversal cannot be denied. RSI has dropped sharp. Coming to daily. Now look at daily chart. See, first of all, higher lows, higher highs here. Second, look at the preceding candle, a swing candle with higher lows. Then third, what has happened today? It has already hit the double bottom levels or identically same, or you can see approximate level. It has already achieved. So it is good that it can form a tail and then reverse from here and reverse and hit the highs. So what are the highs we are looking at? It should be somewhere here at around 70.6 and 71 zone. Yes, if it stays above 69.6, 69.8 zone today, we can see increasing bullishness above 71.2 and 70.2 and 70.6 is where more bullishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to 71.1 or 71.2 and in fact 72.4 levels. Right now I can see a good resistance going to be seen here at around $70 levels. You have to be cautious and watchful till then. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over trying to trade bullish, and RSI flat. So yes, the indicators are still bullish, and now where to enter, where to exit? Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Yes, trade safely with a safer environment with easier transactions and withdrawals. Do not miss this opportunity. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 68.8, but then 68.4, 68.6, 68.4, the strongest support will come into. And if and only if oil today trades below 68.4, 68.6, we can say that the bears will be active here, and then we can look forward to 67.8, 68 zone. Below 67.8, ideally is where slight bearishness will, and it is only below 67.8, you can say that oil is turning bearish, as do not treat this as bearish for the day. And for the week, it's 66.5. On the upside, I will recommend a buying entry now at 69.4 levels, but then 69.6, 69.8, first resistance zone, 70.2 the next, and then we can look forward to a move towards 71, 71.2, and then 72.4 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas behavior and pattern you can check yourself. Rise retracement every time it hits the highs of the channel. It follows with a retracement, and now every time it follows a good support here, it follows with a good rise as well. See, right now what is happening? It is trading in this bullish channel, and where are the highs of this channel? The highs of the channel are now towards 2.66, 2.72 zone. What is happening here? Yes, after hitting the support zone, it is now trying to bounce back. As I have mentioned, 2.54 is going to be a good support. We are looking forward to a rise from these levels. Now I will wait for 2.58 and 2.6 levels to be taken in order to turn bullish. Stochastic is rising here. The MACD has also crossed over at the bottom, and this is trading with divergence. This is also showing slight signs of bullishness. RSI rising. Coming to 2 hours. On the 2 hour charts also, similar observation. What has happened here is getting replicated here, and after that, every time it is hit the lows, it is also followed with hitting the highs. The highs, as I expected, 2.65, 2.66, 2.72 zone. So I will recommend you to buy, in fact, now at 2.58. When you see the lower price about 2.58, initiate a buying entry, but then 2.6, 2.62, then 2.66 levels will come into picture. Moving averages looking upwards, staying bullish. Stochastic has dropped a bit, trying to converge crossover for the buys, and RSI is looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, see this every time divergence of the price from the 20 period, and then 20 period coming to the rescue and the support here. This time again finding the support. Now net gas price is trying to rise, and that is why I say you can in fact buy at 2.58 itself, but then 2.6, 2.62, and then 2.66 levels. You should watch out for greater support exists for natural gas till towards those levels, that is 2 point. On the 4 hour charts also similar observation, nothing different, and now this time also finding the support, showing a reversal sign. After three bearish candles, it is trying to rise. Possibility exists that it can move towards 2.6, 2.62, in fact 2.66 levels. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is bearish and RSI is rising here. Coming to daily chart. Once you see the daily chart, see first the support here, then a good rise. Previous candle consolidation or swing candle, and now it is trying to rise. Possibly this, it can deliver a candle size of this body, where we have seen it rising from around 2.47, 2.48 to 2.6, and now if you count it from 2.55, you can look forward to 2.66, 2.72 zone, which is going to be an achievable level, and which is also going to be a stronger resistance zone here. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI is overbought as well. So now we have seen the charts, you've seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the day. And yes, before I provide you the levels, do not miss to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and join the Signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the recommended broker. So now looking at this, as I mentioned, you can buy here at 2.58, expect 2.6, 2.62, 2.66, 2.68, and then 2.72 levels. So 2.6, 2.62 first resistance zone, 2.66, 2.68 second, 2.72 third, and then we can look forward to a greater move which can take the prices towards 2.8 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2.54 levels, where you can expect 5 to 2.5 and 2.48. Once it drops below 2.48, that is the only point below which you can say now natural gas is turned bearish and you can look forward to a greater correction towards 2.45, 2.4 and lower levels. Chances for this happening here appears to be less. It is right now staying it bullish and it can continue to trade bullish. So take your levels accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. See you again tomorrow with Asia and Europe session with more updates.